Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to check if your PayPal account is verified. So basically in some PayPal account, if you go to your account settings, there should be account verified right here, or let's just say if there is verified, and then that means your account is verified. If it says unverified, you can ask to confirm details. It's not if it's not verified. But unfortunately, in my PayPal account, it's not yet available. So if you see account verified, then your account can totally send and receive money. Another way to know or method to is check via wallet or bank linking. If your bank account or card is linked and confirmed, and your identity KYC is verified, and then your PayPal account will show as verified. If PayPal is still asking you to link and confirm a card, a bank account, or upload documents, that means your account is not yet verified. As you can see, my account is verified because it accepts my bank account. Third is you can do the test by sending and receiving. Sometimes unverified account have limits on how much you can send, withdraw, or receive. So if you send or if you receive and you see messages like increase your limits or confirm your identity, then it means you are not fully verified. In some countries, a verification requires linking and confirming a bank account or debit card or credit card, and providing identity documents like ID, proof of address. So, in case that you are not yet verified, then all you need to do is just provide a bank account or debit card and also provide identity documents such as ID, proof of address, and so on. And basically, that's how easy it is to check if your PayPal account is verified. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.